So today I'm off to Warner Brothers Studios to see the making of Harry Potter, all the sets and studios and stages they used in the making of the film. Yay! Officially got to Harry Potter Warner Brothers Studio Tour. It's far from London. It's not close, which I didn't expect. So now we're gonna eat first before we actually go in the tour because we're starved. It took at least an hour and 25 minutes to get here from London. So just prepare if you ever want to come here. So we just left the Great Hall, which was really cool to be in that main hall where they have the sorting ceremonies and the dinners and all 7 movies or 8 movies. And then now we're just in like more the museum part, but it felt like we were literally entering Hogwarts at that point. So that was super cool. And the tour opens up after a movie. Literally the stage the screen just lifted and the doors to the whole set was there. So it was really cool. Waiting in line to go into Privet Drive. Just to give you a warning, if you plan to come here, there are a lot of lines. There's a line for everything, pretty much. So I just left the Warner Brothers UK Harry Potter studio tour. I have to warn you, although it was amazing, it was very long. Everything was long. Long lines, long everything. So just be prepared to dedicate a lot of time to this if you're coming to this. Yeah, and I actually moved through it pretty quickly compared to other people, but yes, long lines. But other than that, it was really good and amazing. Hope you enjoyed this experience. Oh, don't forget, check out Sam Jewelry. Wearing the I Choose Me earrings in silver. I designed it myself. samjewelry.com.